Okay, now I want to find the slope of this particular line, and this is my origin. So negative 1, 5 is this point, and 6, negative 5 is this point, and my line goes that way. So I want to find the slope of the line. If you remember how to find the slope of the line, we're doing the rise over the run, or the change in y over the change in x. So I've got my 5 minus my 5, and I've got my x minus my x, so 6 minus a negative 1. So my 5 minus my 5 gives me a 0. My 6 minus negative 1 gives me a 7. So my slope is 0 divided by 7, or simply 0. All horizontal lines will be 0 because they'll all be in the same line, and that y, that top number, will always come to 0. So if you have a horizontal line, your slope is 0. You are going nowhere. You're not going up. You're not going down. You're doing 0 work. And there's a video on that I hope to show you in class sometime. So if you think you understand the horizontal, or I guess I'm going to show you the vertical one really quick too. So let me draw that quickly for you. If I have another y and an x here, and my points are 4, 6, and 4, 2. Let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. No, that's 1. 4, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if I have this line, let's talk about my change in y. So you've got your 6 minus your 2, because that's your y's, and your 4 minus your 4. And so 6 minus 2 is going to be 4 over 0. And remember, when 0 is in the denominator, it is always undefined, because you can't have 4 groups and put them in 0, or 4 things and put them in 0 groups. You can't have 0 groups if you got things. You got to have at least one. So, or a portion of a group or whatever. So this is the empty set. And that is true as in thinking of a positive slope goes up, 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 puff, puff, puff. Zero slope, zero work, kind of boring. And then sliding down the hill goes negative slope, so this is kind of fun, the negative slope. And then when you fall off straight down, it's like going into no man's land, so it's undefined. There's a video on this so you can kind of see it. It's just a fun representation, but note if zeros in the denominator, it is always undefined. Okay, and so if you think you understand these, you're going to have some examples of finding horizontal and vertical line slopes, which would be 0 for horizontal, and an empty set or undefined for vertical. If you think you understand this, click next to try some on your own.